Hi, this is Tracy from Snazzy Moon Designs. Today I am going to do a quick video review on this silicone sleeve sublimation tumbler band kit. It's for 20-ounce skinny tumblers. It comes with a silicone sleeve, 2 rolls of heat tape, 3 bands, a pair of gloves. So we're going to do a quick review on this and see how it does. So let's get started. Okay, so here's what I received. I got the pair of gloves, the silicone sleeve, 3 silicone bands, and 2 rolls of pretty skinny heat tape. Usually the heat tape I get is about twice this size. But that's what comes in the kit. So let's see how well it does. I'm going to go ahead and wrap this tumbler, this 20-ounce tumbler. I'm going to wrap it the way I always wrap my tumblers. Start with the seam, and I do have a video on my channel that shows you how I wrap my tumblers to get a seamless look to them with no ghosting. Okay, so we got that. I'll put it on the stand right here. We're going to tape up the center. Like that. Now this design that I'm using here, it is not like a full colored design. It just, so I'm not too worried about the seam line. But if I did have a full colored design where it's like all one color, or you have color all the way around, then I would definitely make sure that I ran my thumbnail down the seams like this, just to make sure I get both sides, just like that. I'm going to put a piece of tape around the bottom, like this. But this video is not really on how to wrap a tumbler, because I do have a video for that. It's pretty much on how well this silicone sleeve is going to work, instead of using shrink wrap, or some people that don't use any wrap at all. And I will be sublimating this in a convection oven. You can use a silicone sleeve in a tumbler press, and I do have a video on that on my YouTube channel, but I really don't like to use a silicone sleeve in a tumbler press. And really, I don't think you need a silicone sleeve in a tumbler press, because the press does the work of keeping your design up against your tumbler. So really there's no need to have a silicone sleeve in a tumbler press. Just use your design and butcher paper. That's all you need. But if you're going to use a convection oven, then you can try using a silicone sleeve instead of shrink wrap, and it will help hold your design against the tumbler while it's in the oven. Okay, so we got that all wrapped. Now we're going to apply this silicone sleeve. I found it's best if you grab it from inside like this, and just kind of like hold the lip and pull down on it as best you can. It's pretty tight, but it's got to be tight so it can keep pressure on the design, so you don't have any ghosting. So we got that on there, and it went on there pretty smoothly. Like I said, it takes a little bit of practice to put it on there. And then you have these rings, and I don't know if you need them or not, but they come with the kit, so I'm going to go ahead and use them. Put one around the bottom, and then I'm going to put one around the middle. Like this. And then one around the top. And this just helps keep more pressure in those areas. Kind of help prevent any ghosting that may occur. Okay, so now it is ready to put in our convection oven. And I will be using 380 degrees for 7½ minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and get the oven preheated, and then we'll continue from there. Okay, so our oven is at temperature, 380 degrees. I'm going to go ahead and set this on the rack, which is in the center of the oven. And we'll put it in here for 7½ minutes. And when I don't turn it, I just leave it in there. When our 7½ minutes is up, we'll continue from there. Okay, we got 10 seconds left out of our 7½ minutes. When that's up, we'll go ahead and take this out. And it is done. Okay. Well, looks like one ring fell off the end there. Okay. Let's bring it over here. It's very hot. The gloves that come with the kit are smaller than the size I wear, but they fit my wife perfectly, so if you have small hands, then they will fit you perfect. We're going to go ahead and let this cool down, and then we'll remove the silicone sleeve and the design and do the reveal. Okay, so it's cool enough now that we can handle it. We'll go ahead and remove the bands. Okay, so I've removed the bands, and I will have a link to this in the description, so you can purchase it on Amazon. The best way to get this off is just to pull straight down on it like this, and just try to pull it off of the tumbler. They're a little hard to get off. They're all like this. Just pull it off like that. It'll probably be inside out, so just go ahead and turn it back the right way. Now that's ready to use again. And go ahead and take off the tape. Take off the bottom tape. Take it off my hand. Seam tape. Peel off the paper. And let's see how it did. Looks like it did a nice job. Got something right here. If it's that was probably because I didn't have the line on the design cut off. That's my fault there. But other than that, looks like there's no ghosting. Seems to have the colors look good. Black is the black and the yellow is the yellow. And if I would have cut off the line, the black line, so I know where to cut my design, I wouldn't have this on here. So that's my fault right there. So I'll make sure next time I make sure I cut the line off too. But I think it did a pretty good job. So like I said, I'll have a description or a link to this silicone sleeve kit. Like I said, it comes with the sleeve, the 3 bands, pair of gloves, and 2 rolls of heat tape. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Check out my other videos. Have a good day. Thank you.